Thank you, Wendy. Look at, I'm walking in my new outfit. I'm walking in my new outfit. Hello. Hello. Yeah? Silly. Hi. Hi.
No, my favorite.
Can you say hi, Auntie Wendy? Benji? Be nice. You say hi to Auntie Wendy?
Hi, Auntie Wendy.
Can you say hello? Can you say... Yeah. Flap, flap, flap. All right. Thank you so much. We'll have a picture of the orange outfit next. It's a little bit too cold out right now to wear the orange tank top. Hi. Whoa. Whoa. Ah, da, da, da. Whoa. Yeah. Say bye.
Bye.
Wendy.